Mr. Chairman, for the interest of time, anyway, all resource persons and witnesses was already acknowledged by the COMSEC. Mr. Chairman, for the interest of time, I move that all admin matters, and that includes the letter of Narsoles, all communications, and the letter and statement that we have received from Ms. Garma will be discussed on the later part of this hearing, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to defer discussion of all correspondences, letters that the committee has received for today's committee hearing at the appropriate time. Duly seconded, hearing no objection, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chair, we also invited Lieutenant Colonel Bilela. Is he around?
Colonel Villela, are you present? Can you please take a seat? Okay. So it seems that every...
And also, we have invited also Police Corporal Jeremy Kausapin. Is he around?
Corporal Jeremy Kausapin, are you present? Okay, now we will proceed with the committee hearing proper. The topic, the first topic for today's committee hearing is the topic on extrajudicial killings. And last hearing, we discussed or we deliberated on the participation of Colonel Royina Garma and Colonel Edilberto Leonardo in the alleged or their participation in the alleged murder of the three high-value targets inside the Davao Penal Colony. So we will now proceed, and the first to interpolate. By the way, I am absolutely sure that you have already been advised of the committee ground rules for this committee hearing. So we will skip with the stating for the record of such, and we will now proceed with the committee proper. Congressman Paduano, you are first.
Mr. Chair, before we proceed with the interpellation, may we allow the COMSEC to take the oath of those first time that have been invited in this Quadcom hearing.
Thank you for that reminder, Congressman Fernandez. COMSEC, you are directed to administer the oath of all the resource persons that attended this committee hearing for the first time.
Yes, please stand. All those who attended this public hearing for the first time. Okay. And please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry? So help you God. Thank you. The oath has been administered.
Okay.
Mr.
Thank you.
Chair, Your Honor.
Thank you, COMSEC. So we have a list of those who would like to interpolate, and those that are not in the list yet and would want to raise and propound questions to our resource persons, please call the attention of the committee secretary. The first to interpolate is Congressman Caraps Paduano. You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I would just like to once again recap the discussions during the previous hearing with regards to what happened in the PICOL. Particularly yung killing of the three PDLs, Chinese PDLs. Now, if we recap the first statement that was made by PDL, now nakalaya na po. Ewan ko po bakit naka-yellow, naka-orange pa siya. Si former Major Fortaleza. But once again, I would just like to ask and reiterate. Yung first statement mo po, di ba sabi mo po, first encounter with GM Garma doon sa Dapicol, nagbisita po siya. Yes or no lang po?
Yes, Your Honor.
With some of your classmates.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, the next is, tinawagan ka niya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, sa tawag na yon, dinala mo yung cellphone doon kay Super
Yes,
Padilla.
Your Honor. Yes, Your
Superintendent
Honor.
Padilla.
Yes, Your Honor.
And after that, ang next na account is, tumawag ulit sa iyo, si former Colonel Garma.
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
telling you na nag-usap na sila ni Super
Yes,
Padilla.
Your,
Correct?
yes, Your Honor.
And after that, hindi na kayo nag-usap. Wala na communication. After that last call,
Meron pa ulit, Your Honor, kasi tumawag siya, nakiusap tungkol doon sa mga tao nila accordingly na napasok ng Bartolina.
yeah, yung Magdadaro at saka si yung kasama ni Magdadaro, si Tan.
Yes,
Tama?
Your Honor. Yes.
Okay. Now, Superintendent Padilla, you still confirm the statement of former Major Fortaleza?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Pakiulit mo nga, kasi during the previous hearing, if my memory serves me right, sabi mo doon, nag-meeting pa kayo twice, tama? Ni Colonel Leonardo.
Once lang po.
Once.
Yes, Your Honor.
Once
Mr.
kayo nag-meeting.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
After that, may mga tawag, communication na nangyari.
Po. Wala na po.
Wala na.
Mr. Chair. Wala na
But
po.
the meeting was made before the killing.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Saan yon?
Yung meeting in CIDG office in
CIDG office.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Colonel Garmad, in the last hearing, you confirmed that indeed there's a meeting in the CIDG office. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama.
I met the...
I met, pakilapit po.
Yes, Your Honor. That is where I met the warden, Your Honor.
Also, okay. So you met the warden in the CIDG office. Now, Colonel Leonardo. Colonel, this will be your last chance. Yung tatlo po, inamin na po ni Colonel Garma na nag-meeting kayo. In the statement of former Major Fortaleza, sinabi niya na po, yung tawagan, yung first visit, tapos yung statement that ayos na, may mga tao na dun sa loob. Now, in the last hearing, you deny it. Now, this will be your last in this committee to tell the truth. Do you confirm that indeed Superintendent Padilla with you in the CIDG office? So, kami na patang process nalabas din. Saka alam po namin ang totoong pangyayari. Alam na po namin yung puzzle, tapos na po. As I have said, noong nakaraan pa. And that includes also the question that I asked you in the previous hearing with regards to your meeting in which you evaded. In the first preliminary question that I asked you, you evaded to say and tell to this committee the place where the meeting happens. Now, again, Colonel Leonardo, do you confirm that indeed you have a meeting with Superintendent Padilla? Or else I will be forced also to call somebody that will testify again.
No, Mr. Chair.
You deny.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
No meeting happens.
No meeting happened.
So these three witnesses and resource persons pointed to you that there is such a meeting happens and you still denied.
Sir, as I previously...
Yes, I am just asking you.
no
You
meeting,
still
sir.
denied.
No meeting, Mr. Chair.
With that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt former Colonel Leonardo for evading, lying in this committee in violation of Section 11 of our provision on contempt, paragraph C, Mr. Chairman. So move.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Commissioner Leonardo for violating Section 11, paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation of the 19th Congress, and it was duly seconded. Are there any objections?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congressman.
may I assist the person beside Colonel Leonardo? Yung sa kabila po, on the left side.
Mr. Chair, he's my counsel, Mr. Chair.
You're right. So you have entered your appearance here? When?
During the previous.
Previous hearing.
Mr. Chair.
So please at the back of your client and don't advise your client unless you will be recognized or allowed by the chairman.
So may we remind the councils of our resource persons to please comply with the rules, our ground rules. You may advise your client of his legal rights, but you may not coach them. Okay?
You sit at the back.
And may we ask the
You sit at the back, attorney.
can you please provide chairs for our lawyers or counsels of our resource persons? So, as I was duly seconded, are there any objections?
Mr. Chair, may I?
Hearing none,
Mr. Chairman.
the motion is approved.
Mr. Chair.
Colonel, I will allow you to speak. Let me just finish the ruling of the chair. The chair has ruled on the motion to cite Colonel Leonardo in contempt for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of our Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation. So, now I will allow Colonel Leonardo to speak. Is this in relation?
Chairman.
Is this?
Mr. Chairman, before we allow Colonel Leonardo, let me wait first for the second motion, Mr. Chairman, on detention, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Okay. Is there any motion?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Ako.
may I respectfully move that Commissioner Leonardo be detained in the premises of this House until such time that the committee would have finished its committee report. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a
Second.
motion. There is a motion. As stated, duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Colonel Leonardo is or will be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives. Okay. Colonel Leonardo, would you...
Mr. Chair, may I be allowed to, my lawyer, can I be allowed to confer with my lawyer and then later allow him to speak for this committee?
No, I'm sorry, Colonel Leonardo, but our rules does not allow counsel our resource persons to speak in behalf of their client. What perhaps you can do is just you can write to the committee, and we will take note of your manifestation. Thank you. Yes, please proceed.
Mr. Chairman, actually, I just like to tell the council and Colonel Leonardo that you have also the right to make an appeal in this committee, but after this committee hearing. But of course, you can also say your piece, the latter part, but as the chairman stated, we do not allow counsel to speak for behalf of the client. So you can make an appeal after this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. The parliamentary inquiry is that Congressman Paduano has the floor. And he was interpellating Colonel Leonardo. Would you like to proceed, Congressman Paduano?
Yes. Ito po, short na lang po. Again, let me follow up lang po yung mga po ng previous hearing. I just want to test, of course, Colonel Garma. Anyway, Miss Garma, your letter will be tackled in the latter part, no, in this committee hearing.
Thank you, Your
And thank you for once again stating that what you have said during the previous hearing, tinindigan mo po yung statement mo. Now, ma'am, during the previous hearing, I asked you about such meeting. That was June 28, 2015, 2016. That was 3 days before the former President Duterte assumed his office. And during the previous hearing, inamin na po ni Colonel Leonardo, but not telling what really happens. Well, in fact, he was evading during the time to tell where the place happens. Now, he stated, not you, but him stated that there's a meeting or gathering in the DPWH building in Davao. And in my data, at alam na po namin kung sino-sino yung nandun. Now, do you confirm, ma'am, that there is a meeting for ito, specific, class 96 ang 97?
Mr. Chair, it's
In the second floor, ah?
yes, Mr. Chair, it's a courtesy call somewhat. Yeah, it's
Or
like
did you talk something about that war on drugs? Sabihin na natin, Davao template.
halo-halo kasi yung pinag-usapan
Hindi,
namin.
tatanungin lang
Mr.
kita.
Chair.
Did you discuss about Davao template? O, nandito si Patay. Grijaldo, nandito kayo. Now, let me ask you once again. Is there a meeting and it was discussed about Davao template?
May I be
Yes,
allowed to
please.
ask? Kasi po, ang understanding ko kasi pag discussion, there's an in-depth na pag-uusap. Pero may napag-usapan po, but it's not in-depth. It's just passing, Mr. Chair.
What I'm saying is, ma'am, diretso lang po. Nag-usap ba kayo tungkol doon sa Davao template? Yes or no?
Napag-usapan din po. Mr.
Napag-usapan. Colonel Leonardo, napag-usapan niyo ba doon sa 96? Yung Davao template? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po mahal yung
Nako.
Davao template. Pero mga...
Anyway,
usap
yan
naman.
naman ha. Yan naman, okay. As of now, hindi ko tatanggapin yung reasoning mo, pero now, Colonel Patay, you were there? Yes or no?
No, Mr. Chair.
You were not there?
No, Mr. Chair.
In the second floor, you were not there?
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige. Chairman, let me put in record na tinanggi ni Colonel Patay na he was there. Colonel Grijaldo, are you present during the time? The first June 28, second floor of the DPWH building.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You were there.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, it was discussed about the Davao template?
No, Mr. Chair.
No?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no. So you contradict the statement of Ms. Garma na isa sa mga pinag-usapan doon? Colonel Gardo, you're under oath.
Yes, yes,
Baka
Mr.
maaga
Chair.
ka.
I could not confirm the statement of...
So, no. None.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala. O anong ginawa niyo lang doon sa loob ng kwarto?
We were there the time, Mr. Chair.
No, tinatanong ko, anong ginawa niyo? Kasi nakakahon kayo doon eh. Di ba? Ako kinukonfirm ba na 96? Kaiba isang room, 97 sa kabilang room?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Again, Mr. Chairman, let it record that Colonel Grijaldo denied that there is a meeting that will place the 96 and 97 in separate room. Now, Colonel Grijaldo, during that gathering, the President, former Chief Bato de la Rosa, former now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh, you cannot remember. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, you cannot remember. O, Colonel Patay, since you mentioned that you were not there, so wala. Wala kang alam.
Wala akong alam, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Colonel Leonardo, in that gathering is the President, former President, Colonel Bato, PNP Chief Senator Bato de la Rosa, and Senator Bongo. Pumunta po doon sa room nyo. Yes, sir.
Ang naalala ko, nag-courtesy call po kami.
Hindi, tanong ko kung pumunta sa room nyo. Pumunta ba hindi?
Sa room na, kasi sir, naka-separate room po.
Kaya nga, tinatanong ko sa room ng 96.
Ang alam ko
Kasi
po, sir,
nandun
lumabas po kami sa corridor. Then we met
the whole 96.
Senator Bongo during that time.
The whole 96.
Not the whole 96, there are some class 96, Mr. Chair.
Hindi nga, yung nandun na 96. Alam ko naman hindi lahat eh.
Yes po.
Oh, yes.
Nag-meet po kami doon sa corridor po.
Oh, pero nandun kayo sa isang room.
Lumabas po kami doon sa room na parang waiting area.
Oh,
Waiting-
cubicle. Cubicle, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Parang
yes.
room siya na...
Okay.
Then
So
lumabas
nandun
po
si Senator Bongo, Senator De La Rosa, and the President. Tama?
Hindi ko po ma-recall kung nandun si
Eh,
Senator Bongo.
may in-introduce ka pa
Bato
nga
de la
isa eh. May in-introduce ka pa nga isa eh. Na, Mr. President, this is blah, blah, blah. You don't recall?
Actually, marami po akong
Nako.
pinakilala ko po yung mga classmates.
Recall.
Marami po,
Okay.
sir.
Mr. Chairman, dyan na muna.